Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we're back with another solo review, and it is lunchtime. Alright you all, let's check out this watch face, back glance watch face. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I got a watch face by Glance Watchfaces, and the name of the watch face is called Glance Jet. Very nice looking watch face, and always on mode. It looks really nice. It looks pretty much the same, but just blackened down a little bit, but I like the look. And I think it's going to look different on the Gears 2 than it will on the Gears 3, but both you'll still be able to see your info at a glance. And when the watch face is on, you greet it with an analog look / digital. You also get a couple of dials at the top. This one over here represents your battery, and it is in the active, so if you tap on it, you can get your battery info. If you tap on this right here, you can get your step info, calories burned, and if I tap right here, I can get my weather. Got to tap precise down at the bottom where the PM stamp is. You can get your calendar, and right here I can go into my settings. I thought that was a really good look. Also, if I double tap in the center, I can customize the color. I get 5 total in all that I can change to, which isn't a bad look at all. Same thing for the digital time. You get 5 of those as well. Just cycle through till you get to the one you like, and voila, that's it. That's all. Alright you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face, and if you like this video, then please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.